So today I'm going to show you guys how to make butter at home the easy way using a stand mixer and some whipping cream from the grocery store. So we're just going to add the cream. So I've got 2 of these. So it works out to close to a liter of whipping cream. And this stuff is 35%. That's the highest I could find. The higher the better. But this stuff will still work. And then we're going to just turn it on low to start. Then we can turn it up a little higher. And just turn the ball. You can see how it's starting to get thicker. We just gotta keep going. just starting to turn yellow. It's starting to separate, so we just keep going. You can see how it's starting to separate. That's the buttermilk that's left over from the butter. So just a few more minutes. Turn her back down. So for the last couple minutes, it might be a good idea just to cover your mixer, because the buttermilk will make a mess. That's what can happen if you don't have it properly covered. Oops. But you can see the buttermilk is now separated from the butter. There's the butter. There's your buttermilk, and there's your butter. So next we're going to wash it in cold water to get as much of the buttermilk out as possible. That way it'll last longer in the fridge. We want cold water for this, so the butter will stick together. Press down. Make sure your hands are clean first. Just squeeze. You might have to rinse it a couple times to try and get the water as clear as possible. And you can see how clean the water is, so I think we got most of the buttermilk out. So you can add a little bit of salt for flavor if you want. I'm just going to add a little bit, not too much, so I don't like too salty. So now I'm just going to shape it. I'll do that. Just some wax paper. Delicious homemade